What's going on, guys? Tonight, I'm going to be opening up some Pokemon cards, do a little talking about the market, some collecting, some investing, all in the same video. I'm going to flip the camera around. Let's just get right into it. All right, guys, here we are. Got a nice little tin going on. Now, I did see the other two. I did see the Iron Bundle and the Gouging Fire Tins there. But first tip to buy in Pokemon at Walmarts and Targets and these stores. If you know, like Raging Bolt, for example, I know is to some extent competitive. I know that people are using Raging Bolt competitively. So I figured if I'm gonna take a promo card, I might as well take one that's probably somewhat competitively viable. And sure as shit, $7 promo card. So now my $30 tin is already up $7. And there you go. Now, if you don't want the card, you can sell the card. I'll probably sell the card. Where did I put my sleeves? You know? Just like that. Now, my 5 packs don't cost $6 a piece anymore. Now, my packs are only $5 a pack. Big savings. Twilight Masquerade, Temporal Forces, Paradox Rift, and Obsidian Flame. I'm very excited. All right, let's do this. Twilight Masquerade in the back, Temporal Forces, Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flame. Obsidian Flame, what are we looking for? We're looking for a Charizard. Now, I said we were going to talk about a little bit of investing, so I'm going to do some talking about investing. I wrote some things on a notepad, so let's look at the first thing. How they evolve reprints. They came. Anybody checking the prices on TCG Player? Wait, no, nothing. They're still like 140. Haven't gone up, haven't gone down. Well, they kind of are technically going up, but yeah, so reprints came and prices really didn't go down. So I think Paldea evolved. I think pretty much time to buy now. Um, another thing. Sorry, guys. Another thing. 151 ETBs. Tapu Koko, EX, Spartha. $100 for a 151 ETB. Sorry about that. I had a knock at the door. Had to answer that. Tapu Koko EX. It's already 2 hits. 2 hits right there. Look at that. That's a freebie. Just for buying the tin. Just for knowing which tin to pick. There's a freebie. What was I saying? 151 ETBs are $100. What do we have? Temporal Forces. That's kind of crazy. I probably should have looked to see. Probably should have looked to see what the Pokemon. What the Pokemon Center exclusive ETBs are selling for. Party foul on me. I didn't. But yeah, kind of crazy. $100 for an ETB. That set like just came out. Well, not really, but feels like it. We got something there. Basura. What else did I want to talk about? 151 Japanese this time. Apparently reprints are coming again in late November. Them bitches went down to like what, 50, $60? Went back up to 100 really fast. I don't know if I've opened up Twilight Masquerade. I think I did. Here's to a Greninja. They're probably going to go down again. 100%. I don't know if they're going to go down. Having recovered so fast from them being at like 50, $60 back to 100 that fast, I can't imagine the supply, no matter how much it is. I can't imagine the prices coming down that low this time. I don't think the prices will come down again too much at all, to be honest with you, especially seeing how fast it rebounded. So I'm not into Japanese. I don't care for it. But if it's your thing and you hesitated the last time they reprinted, like just recently, I wouldn't make that. We got something here. Earth Flame Ogerpon. Well, anyways, all the good, all the good people, all the people that do good videos on YouTube, they're the ones that get the hits, you know. Lowly peasant like me, we don't get the hits. I haven't learned how to reseal packs yet. Is what it is. Whatever. Just kidding. And the last thing I wanted to talk about was Silver Tempest booster boxes. I was dead wrong about the timeline. I thought they would for sure be sold out by now. Super wrong about that. But they're still available on the Pokemon Center website, and I still think it's a screaming buy. For 143, I know there's no real margin on it, but they're selling for 160 on TCG Player, so I still think that's a screaming buy. I think everybody should have at least a set of 4 Silver Tempest Silver Tempest booster boxes at this point. And the last thing I wanted to touch on, Crown Zenith ETBs. Look super appealing. They're still like $56. Great set. The gallery in Crown Zenith is possibly second to none. A lot of big cards in there. A lot of fan favorites. This is my pack opening. This is my quick investing video. See you guys in the next one.